Shh! Don't tell anybody my top beauty secret. Hey Fab Girls! In this episode of Get Ready With Me for QVC, I thought I would share with you some of my top beauty tricks. So things that I'm doing to take good care of my skin. And I think you're really going to love this one because this is a DIY mask. It's super cheap, it's super easy, and you probably already have some of this main ingredient in your kitchen. So listen up. Now, for those of you who don't know, I've been hired by Katy Perry to represent her shoe brand on QVC. Super excited! And then the lockdown happened and I was like, oh, how frustrating. So I had planned to go for facials to get my skin looking good because I've really been struggling with my skin and now I can't do any of that. So I have been desperate to find some solutions. And ladies, I have found some great solutions and I'm going to share them with you. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is one of my favorite little tricks. The honey mask! I know, really simple. Can you believe it is this easy? You don't even need another ingredient. And this one even comes from Trader Joe's. So you want a raw organic honey. And ladies, let me tell you, not all honeys are equal. So be sure to get a raw organic one because a lot of the honey, I don't know if you know this, but a lot of honey is actually a lot of syrup. So, that's not going to do the same thing. It's not going to have the same properties on your skin. So I'm going to share with you how I do this. And I know it looks really gooey. Whoa! I mean, like how on earth are you going to smear this on your face? And isn't it going to feel uncomfortable? No, none of those things. It's not uncomfortable. It's not difficult to do. It's really easy and it feels so good. But, ladies, I have to tell you, I have other tricks because I have really struggled with my skin. The winter was extremely harsh on my skin. In fact, I actually had burn marks, almost like little pimples, little rosacea from the cold, and my skin was deeply dehydrated. And it didn't matter what I was putting on my skin, didn't matter what I was doing, it was just looking terrible. And in fact, I started looking older. I started noticing lines and wrinkles. I mean, ask my husband. Was I looking stressed out and wrinkled?
I'm not answering that question.
He's not answering that question. But he was saying to me today, oh, Trace, your skin's looking so much better. Not so stressed, not so wrinkled. The thing is, ladies, it's all about hydration. And it doesn't matter how much tea I'm drinking. I'd even drink lemon and honey tea. Tons of it. I was drinking tons of it. It was not working. So before I share with you the honey mask, I'm just going to tell you that I am going to be sharing some of my top tricks and tips with my insiders list. So this is exclusive. So if you want to get those, if you want to find out what my favorite products are, how I've been treating my skin to get it looking amazing because I'm feeling a lot better, I'm going to be sharing my top tips, my top tools, my top products, my secrets. If you want to get in on that, then you want to join my insiders list. It's free, girls. Not difficult. It's free. So you just have to go to tracygoldfashiontips.com and there will be a pop-up for you to join the insiders list. Or if you missed that, don't worry. It's on the homepage. Really easy for you to find. And then, I'm going to be doing an online facial party. Yes, party. I'm going to teach you how to give yourself a facial. Because believe it or not, we can actually do facials from home. We don't have to spend a fortune to go and have a facial. And right now, even if we have the money, we can't do it. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. So more about that to come, but be sure to get onto my insiders list, tracygoldfashiontips.com. All right, let's get stuck into my honey mask. I'm really excited about this. Okay, so the first step you want to do is to make sure to clean your skin, to do a good cleanse and, get all the makeup, get all the rubbish. I don't have much makeup on today, so it's not going to take me that long to take it off. And then what you want to do is an exfoliation. Now, I'm going to quickly run off to my bathroom because if you want to know what products I use to cleanse and exfoliate, then get onto my insiders list, get my video, come to my event. You'll find out all my tricks, ladies. All my tricks are coming soon. Okay, so off I'm going to go. You quickly go, do a cleanse, do an exfoliation, and meet me back. And we're going to do honey mask. Okay, now my skin is ready for a mask. So I've done a good cleanse, taken off all my makeup except I got a little bit of mascara on, managed to keep that on. And I've done an exfoliation and it's tingling and it's ready for a mask. Ladies, it's important to do that because you want to make sure that you've cleaned your skin so that there's nothing in the way, there's no barrier between the mask and your skin. You want it to be able to really penetrate. And then also you really want to exfoliate because you want to get rid of those dead skin cells. Anything that's left over, that exfoliation is really important. Having very sensitive skin, I don't exfoliate that often, but I do think it's very important to get rid of those dead skin cells. Ugh, the thought of them, quite gross, right? Okay, so now, give me the honey. Yes, all right. So, really easy. Take a spoon. Okay, you see how it looks. Trader Joe's. I love Trader Joe's, just not at the moment. The lines are crazy in New York. Okay, so literally this is what I do. And make sure your hands are clean. I'm sure they're clean from all the times that we're washing our hands, right? There's obsession with washing hands at the moment. Don't you find your hands are getting dry? Mine are. I've got a really great lotion for that. Okay, so it feels kind of sticky, but it's okay. And then you just start smearing it. And don't worry if you don't get it perfect. It's not about perfection, ladies. Oh, just look at all this goodness. Now, the amazing thing with honey is that it's deeply moisturizing. It's also got anti-inflammatory properties. It also is really good for burns. So ladies, remember when it comes to summertime, this is going to be really, really helpful. And it's restorative. It just restores the skin. My skin was feeling really, really sensitive. Like I said, from the burning, actually from the cold, from the freezing New York cold. And this was really helpful. It actually soothes my skin because I was actually in pain, guys. Every time I went outside, it felt like somebody was cutting my skin. It was really horrible. I was actually getting ready to start wearing a balaclava, but I was afraid I was going to look like I was going to look like I was holding somebody up. But I think next winter I'm definitely going to be wearing a balaclava. Who cares, right? This is New York City. You can do anything you like. Okay, so you want to smear it. And it actually starts, especially when you start working it into your fingers, it starts softening and warming up a little bit because honey does that. And you just want it. Now, you can also, I'm just going to be careful because I have my lapel microphone. But generally, I take it down all the way to my décolleté as well. And that's also really great. Okay, so you just keep it going and you can do it quite thickly. Don't worry, when you wash this off, it's going to simply wash off. And don't worry if you get it on your clothes either because it doesn't stain, it doesn't leave anything on your clothes. But you are going to need to wash your hair. That's why I have my hair up now because it needs to wash. I don't feel like washing it twice. No, right? And then once you've got it on, I've really gotten crazy on this. You don't even need as much. I recommend that you just do a good massage. Like really just get in there. You've got some great places. Oh, she can just massage you. So at the event, I'm going to teach you how to do facial massage. Facial massage is amazing. In fact, the celebs apparently have a facial massage a couple of hours before they go onto the red carpet or something special, which is probably quite a lot. So I'm going to teach you. I've combined a whole bunch of different methods that I have found really, really work and get that blood flowing. So you just want to do, this feels so good. In fact, I didn't do it this weekend, especially so I could do it for this purpose. But, it can't hurt you. So if you want to do it twice a week, that's also fine. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. Now my hands are really full of honey. Now let me just go wash them off. Clean my hands again, but I think this time, you know what, actually, why not? My hands are getting really dry from all this washing of hands, so why not just give your hands a bit of a massage and your cuticles? Oh my goodness, this is going to be so good for cuticles too. Yay! I love getting messy. It's so much fun. Girls, the thing is, while we're stuck at home, we may as well care for ourselves, right? Especially if we're indoors a lot and that fake air and, all of that. Plus all the stress. And if your kids are at home all the time, your husband's at home all the time. Shh, don't tell my husband. He's behind the camera. Yeah, sometimes we even drive each other crazy being in a small apartment all the time. But we're managing. Okay. Oh, this feels so good. So actually, if you've got some time, just give yourselves a good hand massage. I think this is going to be amazing. I haven't done this before. I'm doing it live on camera, see? We're learning together. So ladies, we're going to learn so many amazing tricks at this facial party. So make sure to get onto my insiders list so that you can attend. It's free, and even the event is free. So I'm going to be doing amazing events. Not all of them are going to be free, but this particular one is. So, oh yes, this feels so delicious. Now what you want to do, don't try and cook supper now. Okay, so with it on your face, because it's going to start. But, you know, so good too. You can also, you know, if it drips a little bit, oh, really nice. This is really good tasting honey. Okay, so don't try and cook supper because heat is going to make it drip. You can sit and watch TV, get your favorite Netflix show on, maybe put the kids with Netflix, whatever it is. Maybe just sip some tea. Take some time out. You want to leave this on for about an hour. Yes, an hour. And if it drips, it's okay. You just take it off and put it in your mouth or not. But you want to really, really let this go. And I would just, you know, while you're waiting, while you're here, just massage. You know, you want to get that blood flow going. Oh, this just feels so good. And you can really just, yes, this feels so good. I don't know about you, but I'm a real sucker for these kind of things. So you can imagine you're in a spa and the facialist is just giving you a good massage. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, find those tension points there. Wow, in my jaw. Yeah, okay. So you get the feeling, right? So an hour. Now I'm going to go take it off and you can see what it looks like. Oh, my skin feels amazing. And I didn't even leave it on for an hour because, you know, I didn't want to wait for an hour and then film the outro of this. But I do want you to see how amazing my skin looks. It just feels so good. So then you just want to finish off. I do recommend that you then finish off with some form of serum. I won't tell you what I'm using because that you'll find out in the facial party or in the video. But you just want to finish off with some serum. Oh, yes. Oh, this feels so good. I'm going to take it down. Oh, ladies, don't forget your décolleté, and especially your neck. I'm definitely seeing more of my aging on my neck, so I'm really trying to take good care of my neck. And then your moisturizer. So just, you know, finish up with your moisturizer because you're looking at the mask as your mask, the honey as your mask. So it gives you that deep, oh, if I can just open this thing. Woo-hoo-hoo. Hold on. There we go. You know, the mask is going to give you that really deep, nourishing feel, but you still want to finish it off with your normal moisturizer. And then if you're going outside, be sure to put your SPF on or something that has SPF in it, even if it's cold outside. I have learned that. Man, have I learned that. Whew, the cold can burn. Okay, so what do you think? I'm feeling fab. I'm feeling really cared for and nurtured. I had such fun. I hope you're going to have fun with this too. And be sure, once again, as I said, get onto my insiders list because then you can find out behind the scenes what I'm doing. Ha ha ha. And come and have a facial party with me. We're going to have so much fun, ladies. Take care. Till next week or next time. Bye. How does that look? Okay, must I do it again? Yeah. Okay. Wait until the truck goes past.